Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show how you can build a chat AI agent for your business using Plivo's Vibe Agent Builder and host it on your website and apps. Head over to the AI Studio and under Vibe Agent, start typing your prompt. Let's say we want to create a chat AI agent for an e-commerce business that can help customers track their online orders and share real-time updates. Let's add that it should first confirm user identity, check their recent orders, pick the right one, and share the status. Once you hit Enter, the Vibe Builder starts creating your chat agent. It begins adding all the important nodes the agent will need to handle order tracking smoothly. It creates nodes to greet the customer and confirm identity, fetch the customer's most recent orders, helps them choose which order they want to check, and gets the shipping status and tracking link for them. Once your agent is ready, click Publish. Now it's time to integrate this chat AI agent into your website or your app. Under AI Studio, open Chat Widget and click on Create Application. Start by giving your application a name, attach the chat agent you just published, and also provide your domain name. Additionally, you can also customize this application by adding welcome messages, choosing a brand color, and your choice of logos and icons. Once the application is created, two tabs will be activated automatically. The first is the Code tab. This includes a script with details like your app ID, region, and device type, which you can configure based on your requirements. You can then copy this script and use it to integrate the chat widget into your website. And the second tab is the Demo Page Configuration tab. Here, you can add a few sample questions that your customers might ask and see a live preview of how your chat agent will look like on your site or app. That's it! Your chat AI agent is now ready. Let's test it out. Your first chat AI agent is now live on your website, helping customers track their orders instantly.